Dear friends, welcome to the channel, and today we have brought you a recipe which originates from New York.
I learned this recipe while working at a fast food chain. So let's learn how to make barbecue chicken wings. We will take 1 kilogram of chicken and add marination spices into it. The quantities are mentioned in the description. After the marination, we will marinate for at least 2 hours. In this video, I shall share with you how to make homemade chicken breading flour. It is very handy. The recipe for this homemade chicken breading flour can be found in the description. In our coating stage, we will first dip our chicken wings into the egg and then place them on top of our chicken breading flour. Once this process is done, we will scoop the chicken breading and the wings from all sides. By scooping chicken wings and chicken breading flour together, we will make sure there is an even coating on all sides. Once we have evenly coated the chicken wings, we will float them in a preheated oil at medium heat setting. Please float in the forward directions. Total cook time for our chicken wings is 10 minutes. While cooking, rotate the chicken wings 3 to 4 times so they are evenly cooked from all sides. After 10 minutes of cooking, drain oil and place the chicken wings in a bowl. Please note there are various methods to apply barbecue sauce on our chicken wings, but I like to dip and rotate in the sauce, which gives a very even coating. Please make sure this barbecue sauce is heated before applying it to the chicken wings. In my last step, I garnish my barbecue chicken wings with spring onions. You can use the drink of your choice, but in my opinion, 7-Up goes very well with barbecue chicken wings. As you can see, our barbecue chicken wing recipe is very easy to follow and it looks delicious. Please press the like and the bell icon button if you enjoyed the video today, and thanks for visiting our channel.